Welcome back to our channel Apani School. Good morning children. Standard 4. Subject English. Unit 2. Dear children, today we are going to learn an interesting poem. Row your boat. So children, you listen, repeat, read aloud and sing with me. So let's start. अगर आपको आज का वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें और हाँ, बेल आइकन को ऑन करना ना भूलें ताकि हमारे आने वाली वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले आप तक पहुंचे। Row your boat gently down the stream. Row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. La 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 la. Okay, dear children, you sing this poem and enjoy yourself. I say goodbye to you.